Hi, my name is Miss Glynn, and I'm in my kitchen today because we are going to be making some Super Sidewalk Paint. We will need 1/4 cup of cornstarch, 1/4 cup of water, and food coloring. Step 1 is mix the water and the cornstarch in a bowl and stir it. Step 2, add 8 drops of food coloring and stir it again. Don't forget you can mix colors to make ones you don't have. I like to use a muffin container to store the paint because it's the perfect size. Repeat this process for each color that you want to make. Grab a paintbrush and head outside to start painting. Give this video a thumbs up if you learned something, and subscribe to be notified when the next video is available.